It's January 30th, 2023. The broccolini is still flowering. Lots of flowers. These are the flowers that have faded. Here's a bunch of new flowers. Beet looks pretty much the same. Yep, everything else looks about the same. The rhubarb, more leaves have opened up. Yeah, other than that, everything else looks pretty much the same. More saffron leaves. They're definitely getting a lot taller. Let's check on the other bulb plants. More summer snowflake sprouts have formed. The Persian pearl tulip, a lot more of the sprouts. Yeah, pretty much that's all. Also here is the prayer plant. You can see new growth have formed from the base of the plant. And here's the mini dendrobium. A lot more flowers have faded. The Phalaenopsis flower spike is getting longer now. And here's the patio. One exciting thing is the winter jewel. You can see winter jewels are flowering now. I'll show more footage of them when the flowers have opened. Hydrangea looks pretty much the same. This one looks like it's kind of sprouting, but not too much.